This is a 2014 Honda Odyssey. Bought at Manheim, Florida yesterday. The transmission is not shifting properly. Also, it has a lot of small damage on it. That's broken. There's glue across the dash. That is discolored. That is discolored. And there's a lot of other small things wrong, but the big concern is the transmission. The mileage on the vehicle is there. And first shift is fine. Actually, it flared poorly there. It hung before it went into overdrive. And then also, what the vehicle is doing is after the second or third shift, the RPM meter is bouncing and it is searching for a gear. It's surging. You can see the RPM meter bouncing up and down. It jerked there. It just jerked again. And this is all after the vehicle has come up to temperature.